Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to deploy single node OpenShift or SNO using the Red Hat Assisted installer. By the end of this video, you will have a fully working OpenShift environment. So let's get started. What is single node OpenShift? Single node OpenShift is a lightweight OpenShift deployment model where the control plane and worker role run on the same machine. It gives you most of the OpenShift capabilities but in a compact single server footprint. Before installing, make sure your system meets these requirements. 8V CPUs, 32 GB of RAM, 120 GB of storage, internet access and a Red Hat account. If you have that checked, you are good to go. Here's the workflow we'll follow. Create the cluster in this assisted installer, configure the settings, download the Discovery ISO and boot the host with that Discovery ISO. Now let's perform the installation step by step. First, log into the Red Hat Assisted Installer portal. Click Create Cluster, provide the cluster name, base domain, OpenShift version you want to install, CPU architecture according to your hardware, select single node OpenShift, provide the network, then click Next. Again Next. Click Add Host. Select the full image file. Select the SSH public key file. Generate Discovery ISO. Download Discovery ISO. Now I will create a VM in KVM and attach the Discovery ISO file with that VM. As you can see, the booting process has been started. Once the machine comes online, it will appear in the assisted installer dashboard. As you can see, my machine has been listed here. Click Next. Again Next. As you can see, our host is now ready. Click Next. Click Install Cluster. The installation may take between 20 to 45 minutes depending on your hardware. As you can see, the installation has been completed. Now we will verify by logging in through command line console. As you can see, login successfully. Our cluster is deployed successfully. We will verify this by web console also. To open web console, click Launch OpenShift console. Now you can see the login page is here. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.